In this video, let's see another IIT JEE problem asked in the year 1992 for 2 marks. The question says, let fx is equal to x mod x, the set of all points where fx is twice differentiable is. So basically, you have to talk about the differentiability and you have to talk about the function x mod x. Let's write solution. Let's start with the solution. The question isn't difficult. It says fx is given to me as x mod x. We have already talked about in our previous videos about this product x and mod x. So when mod x is there, definitely it has been expanded. It can be expanded, sorry. So fx is equal to x into x and x into minus x. Two options. So x into x is what? X into x is nothing but my x square. And x into minus x is minus x square. How does it happen? Let's see. It is your x square, it is your minus x square. You can take x greater than equal to 0, you can take x less than 0 here. Now, the function is such. When the function is such and you have to talk about the differentiability, you already know that this function fx is differentiable for all real minus 0, because at 0 we will get a sharp edge or a sharp point which should not be there in case of differentiability. So that is done, but it is not talking about differentiability but about twice differentiable. That means you have to differentiate it again. What do you get as f dash x? It is 2x, it is minus 2x for the same conditions. Now again you see that different values, 2x minus 2x. Again, what happens? You see that it is not differentiable here at x is equal to 0, but still twice differentiable. So let's again differentiate. You get f double dash x for differentiation. Differentiation of 2x with respect to x is 2. Differentiation of minus 2x with respect to x minus 2. So x greater than equal to 0. I write it again. It is x greater than equal to 0, x less than 0. That means what? That means again you have got different values and now you have differentiated it twice. So you can say that fx is twice differentiable. I repeat, fx is twice differentiable but not at 0. And what about the other values? Yes, fx is twice differentiable for real minus 0. Since it was fill in the blank question, you can leave it here only. The concept is important. What happens? Usually in IIT JEE, the questions which were asked in the very previous years in the form of matchups or fill-ups, they are now asked in the form of, say, objective questions. So you have to basically learn the concept and then not worry whatever happens.